Welcome to the MiniTec Webshop. The MiniTec Webshop is now open for all our corporate clients. You can now order faster and easier, have absolute price transparency, and benefit from clear order and inquiry history. To benefit from all the advantages, all you have to do is log into your user account and update your user data. The company name and VAT ID are mandatory fields. Once you have applied to use the webshop, your data will be checked and you will receive a confirmation email as soon as your access has been activated. The status of your access can also be viewed in your user account. As soon as the webshop has been activated for your account, you can purchase all products marked with a symbol directly via the store. You can use the corresponding filter to display all products that can be ordered directly. All other products can still be requested via the website and are automatically visible in your request history. In the ordering process for our aluminium profiles, you have the option of selecting profiles and production lengths as 6-meter bars or as cut-to-size profiles in the desired length. You receive a discount when ordering 6-meter bars as a packing unit. You can make changes to your order list in the shopping cart before you place an order. In case of a different delivery address to your billing address, you can edit your contact information for this order. If required, you can enter desired delivery date or your order number in the comments field and then place your order. You will receive an order receipt confirmation before a MiniTec sales team sends you the binding order confirmation. Your goods will then be prepared, packed and delivered. Enjoy your shopping experience with the MiniTec Webshop.